Key standards. What are they, and how can they support your approach to mini lessons, and what you choose to formatively and summatively assess? What are key standards? Every grade level unit in Benchmark has distinct standards that are addressed and covered within each week. Key standards documents provide you with a number of mini lessons that address that particular standard or set of standards within each week of a unit. Standards are introduced, practiced, and applied as you progressively move through each unit in Benchmark. This process, however, may not go through the cycle within one unit. Sometimes standards are addressed once or twice in weeks 1 through 3 and not cycled back in until the next unit. Other standards are spiraled in throughout all 3 weeks. Key standards documents provide an overall glimpse of all standards within a unit in order to make instructional decisions on pacing of mini lessons and identifying essential standards to formatively and summatively assess. Timing of formative assessment is key. The document can inform teachers' decisions on what to assess and when to assess a standard or particular set of standards. The number of mini lessons within each week can determine when is a good time to check for understanding and inform your instruction next time you teach that skill. Timing of summative assessment is equally important. The key standards document can also inform teachers' decisions on what to assess and when to assess a standard or particular set of standards for grading purposes. The number of mini lessons within each week can drive grade-level conversations as to what can be considered a summative grade within each trimester. Key standards are now available for kindergarten through 6th grade CNUSD teachers. Log on to Canvas, the Learning Zone 2.0 to access the latest units. Units will continue to be uploaded throughout the year. Contact your administrator and cite TSA for further information and support.